I can't tell you how much I love Fatayer jibna. This cheese savory pie is out of this world good and always welcomed on our Sunday brunch table. To make the cheese filling, I use 3 different types of cheeses, always a room temperature cream cheese, some crumbled feta, and a semi-melting white cheese like Arabic cheese, nabilsi, halloumi, or queso blanco. I like to add dried oregano and dried mint to my mixture as well. Here I'm using my homemade easy dough recipe that you could find on my blog. It truly yields such fluffy results, and you could see that the dough is really easy to work with. So you want to add your filling right to the center, and then to make the cheese fatayer signature look, I'm shaping it like a boat, and this is exactly how you would do it. You'd kind of clip both ends just like this, and then you want to create a little barrier around the filling as well. Add it to your parchment lined baking pan, and you can brush the dough with a little bit of olive oil to give it a little color, but also so the sesame seeds that I'm about to put on top could stick. Then bake these in your preheated oven, and you have some beautiful cheese fatayer that is going to make your kitchen smell heavenly, and these are probably going to be gone before you could even put them on a platter. Enjoy.